Out, sir.
Yes, Mazum.
Week I made a game on Scratch.
Go ahead, show me. I'll be very interested to see that. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Share your screen and then. Okay.
This is a maze game. So
Okay.
when you press the flag, if this ball is not this, this is like this is like your player, so it's going to move. But if it's not in its position, and you press the flag, it goes to its position.
Oh, wow. This is good. Go ahead.
This is the green. It shows that you have to start from here and it ends here. And
Okay.
the controls are up, all the keys, up, down, left, right. And if you touch on any of these lines, then it says sorry, try again. And after
Wow.
some time, the ball again comes to and the game restarts. And if I reach the end,
Yes, I can see that. Okay. Cool. Doing good. Oh, excellent.
then the ball again comes back to its position.
Wonderful. Wonderful. So this is good. Go to the coding part of it. Show me the codes now. See, that's how usually computer engineers will start talking about it. All they were interested in is codes. Okay. So your sprite one is
So the
excellent.
sprites one, it doesn't has any code, so
Okay.
it's just like my background. I didn't take it as an image because you cannot give code to a background.
Okay. Okay.
So then there's only this has code. Only the ball has code, main code. So the code is like when the ball it touch. If the ball is not in its position, if if it's not here, then when the flag is pressed, it comes back to its position.
Okay.
And these are the arrow controls. And when it touches this, so it changes the background to the backdrop 2. And so I have three backdrops, so if you touch that, it changes to the backdrop 2. And when you touch this line, so it changes to the backdrop that you win.
Okay.
And it waits for some time and then it again comes back to its normal position.
This is very good. This is really nice. Now what I really like about your game is, see, what I'm trying to teach you in this coding part is simple concept that you have to use your logic. It's nothing but making you analytical thinking. Once you understand it, it's not a huge challenge to make codes. You just have to learn syntaxes. Syntaxes means codes, but also what I see is you have to learn how to explain it better, right? Right now, so far, I like your entire thing, the game, the beauty of it, the simplicity of it. I still need you to explain it better to us. Take your time and explain. Not now. You see, my point is, unless you can explain your syntaxes, you will still fail. You will become great coders, but to become the next level where you become a CEO, you need to explain the codes very well to me. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you explain? Let's say I get the point. Why are you putting the delay of 3 seconds? Tell me.
I didn't get your question.
Okay, no. Why is the delay? Wait 3 seconds. Why is that waiting part?
So the 3 seconds is like so the user can he can read the code and he can understand. He can see
Okay.
the background, what is in the background.
Oh, this is good. This is very nice, mashallah. Okay. I even today we're gonna do some kind of a game. I like this entire game around. Anyone else have tried anything else? I really impressive. Very impressive. Okay. All right. Abdullah is here. Abdullah, assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum salam.
Good. All right.
Yeah,
So
alhamdulillah.
today what I'm going to do is, as I said, because of all this COVID stuff and all, I will not do a lot of talking. I will show you a game. In fact, I wanted to do a full length game. I could not do the complete game, so I just made half of it. And let's see if we can build it up into something better. All right. So what game I'm going to show you is this game. So I made this particular game where same sprite. Let me show you if I can show. Unless I have to hold on. I have to go back. Okay. See, the game is simple. Okay, I've made this rocket. And let me just try again. If it touches, then it goes away. So the rocket moves away, but the moment the ball touches the rocket, rocket is gone. Let me make a background to make it interesting. You guys are much better now. See, there'll be time when you will be challenging me, and I'll be looking at your games, and I'll say, "Wow, your game's much better." At least I can. Until then, I can give you some smart games. Until you all become smarter with it. Let's say rocket is good here. Okay, whatever this background looks like, it's a very bad background by the way. Okay, I'll make a lighter background. So the game is very simple game. There's a rocket here, okay, and the rocket keeps moving. Okay, the rocket keeps going here, keep going here, keep going here, and this ball will keep falling from top. The moment the ball hits the rocket, the game is over. That's all that the game is. So I'll show you the game again. I had a game part two where the rocket will shoot those dots, tuck, 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 and you have to shoot the ball. It's a very interesting game. I could not do it because of my own fever and everything else. But by next week, we will complete this game. And I think most of you, once you learn it, you will develop this game on your own. I'll show you the game once again, and then I want you all to develop the game again. All right? Okay, why is this hitting all the time? Hold on. Let me just keep this here. Okay, so this is a game. Let me start the flag. Okay, but yeah, oh, it hit. Now, okay, how do I do it? Very simple. Let's go back to our first thing. All of you can start coding with me, and I would like to see all your codes right now. That's all I want to do today. Just inshallah, I will let you all do most of the work around. Same thing. Take anything around, and okay. Is Munib in today? I think Farhana, Safia are not there because
Yes,
both
I'm
are
in.
unwell. Okay, Munib, I saw your codes. I think you all also doing good. So the first one is very simple, right? So I'm not going to teach you the first one. First one is the basic one where you take. You want me to do that? Okay, let me just add a quick one. Whatever it is, let's say beetle. I'm just taking a beetle. Okay, and I'll make it a little smaller because it's too big for me. Okay, this is good. And what do I do now? How do I make my beetle move up and down? Quick, tell me the codes. I want the codes quickly from all of you. I want the beetle to go here, 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 here. Just go
First,
ahead.
if the key is pressed, then do that.
Okay, I want you to keep giving me the color codes. So give me what color code should
It
I
should
take?
be in events, I think.
Okay, in event.
Events or
Or
control.
okay, this
Event.
is fine. All right, I get this one now. Everyone. So once Ahmed says it, I want someone else to say. Then again, Ahmed can say. So each one of you, once you say, I want others to use it. You can't speak twice. Give me quickly, give me the syntaxes or codes. Go ahead. Mazam, Mudabbar, Munib, Abdullah. Forever. Okay. Or okay, in the control. I can always have. Yeah, I got it forever. It's okay. I can always do forever last. Okay, just remember forever is just when my loop is complete. I want to repeat it. Tell me what else. Like remember, I want my bug to go three up. Sorry, up here, up here. What do I do? Go ahead. What should I do? Okay, okay. I have to take the syntax called if and then. All right then. So if, what do I do with if? Can I go to which one should I go next?
You should go to motion,
Okay.
and then there is this.
Wait a minute. As Munib says motion. Okay.
Go to X57. That one.
Mm, okay, that's good. Somebody says sensing also. I like that. Okay, go change or go to Munib.
Go to
A is go to Munib.
here. Go to 50, -57
But
and
that will not take you Munib. That will only take you to one position. I want my X to move ahead, isn't it? What do you do? If what? If I do this, the X, the bug should go ahead. So what should I do? Muazzam, go ahead.
Change X by something.
Okay, but that is the second part. See, like you can see the size also. You can see the shape. It fits in here. That's okay. Change X by 10 is good. Fantastic. But if what? If
When
what?
right arrow click or when left arrow or whichever arrow click.
Right. Where is that? I want to tell me where is it? In sensing. Okay, good. All right, perfect. You get it, Munib? So when something is clicked, so here is this. But here I'm saying, since I'm going X ahead, let me make it easy for me, isn't it? I'll just use my right arrow. Let me see if it goes. But because this one is, see, when I click here, it does not go. You know why? Because it is happening too fast. So that is when I need to put my forever loop here. Let me check. Okay, it's going. It's perfectly okay. So all I need is now it is not going back. Can I repeat it? What do I do now, Mudabbir?
First, you take the if block again.
Okay, but how can I take it from here itself? What do I do here? They'll make control.
Below change x by 10, you can do
Okay,
change.
okay, all right. Okay, no, but can I do something like, sorry, my forever went somewhere. Can I just duplicate it? Can I duplicate it? Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
yeah, that's easy, right? So now once I duplicate it, let me put my forever somewhere here. I duplicate it. It's easier now. What do I do now? This
Change
one,
the key left arrow
left arrow, and then this will become
by change change x by -10.
-10. That's good. Okay, let me duplicate it again. Okay, I've got this one again, and I'll duplicate it one more time. So I've got my four stuff very easy and four stuff done. Isn't better? I know some of you become experts, so it may be easy for you, but then this is okay. Can I do up arrow and can I do low arrow, down arrow? But the X is not what I require, right? I want Y, so I need to remove this now. This block I'm removing it. This block I'm removing it, and this time I want you to do it with me. Okay, so let me go change Y. Is that good? Change Y. So this is the easiest thing that we have done, correct? And I'll just put my forever loop back now. So why is my forever loop coming in here? Okay, good. Let me check. Perfect. Okay, all of you just do the bug and show me, please. All of you, whatever your sprite can be anything. Just do the sprites and show me, please. Okay. This part is the easy part, isn't it? Sorry, guys. You'll not get COVID because of the Zoom, so you're safe. Should I wear a mask and come? Yeah, it's tough, You all should take care, really. Yeah? All of you, please take a lot of care. Don't take this lightly. I somehow it's difficult. Abdullah, are you doing it? Anyone needs help? Amina,
Sir, I need help. I'm stuck after if what I have to do.
after if what you should do. Okay, I'll show you the screen so it's easy for you. Uh, as in, where are you stuck? Tell me, I'll help you.
I'm stuck in after key space right arrow press.
Okay, so
So
see,
I'm using a butterfly, it's okay, right?
yeah, you can use anything. All right, see, this is where are you stuck, Amina and Munib? See, basically, they're
I'm
some.
stuck on if the right arrow press.
Okay, if right arrow, then you need to change by x. That's it. The same syntax, the same codes of motion. You have to change x. See, change x by 10 means you have to move your x by 10. So if I click right arrow, x should go by 10. If I click left arrow, x go back. Then it goes up and goes down. Same up down arrow y. See, remember this is axis, right? X and y axis. You learn in geometry. Some of you are doing algebra, but basic algebra is what you're doing all it, right? This basically is x-axis. Anytime you move like that, and up if you go is y-axis. So what we're saying is, if I click right arrow, it should go high. If it will go low, and it go ups and down for y-axis. That's all. Amina, you got it now? Munib and Amina? I'm going to share this page also with you, so you will get your syntaxes. I think others have done it already. Have you done it, guys? All of you are busy doing it. Mazum Mudabbir done it? Can I quickly hear Abdullah, Mazum, and Mudabbir, please?
It is not going up and down, it's just going right and left.
Okay, what could be the problem? Do you know that you're not doing y-axis, you're still doing x-axis, Abdullah. Just do y-axis. Change y to plus 10 and minus 10. You just show me your this thing. I will correct it
We
for you.
have to do X, Y, X, Y, no?
Yes, x and y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the second part and I'm going to come and correct each one of you. Is that okay? So all of you can start doing the games with me. Is that better? Yeah? Some of you have done it. So I want to see the second part for some of you. Fair enough? Yeah? Okay. So now let me go see the second part. Have a look at it with me, and then I'll probably help you out. Now what I want is I want this let this be there. Everyone else be with me. I want one more sprite so that the game is something that hits the bug should die, and the bug has to stay away. The game is the bug should stay away from whatever I'm going to hit it. So let me take another sprite. What should hit the bug? Go ahead, tell me. It's fun to do
A
this.
bell.
A bell? Okay. All right. So I'll take the bell. Where is my bell, Amina? Yeah, okay, I got the bell. Really? Bell? How about a butterfly? This butterfly good or bell is good? Okay, we'll just take a butterfly. It's fun, no? We're doing insect games anyway. This is see once you know what to do, everything else becomes funny, isn't it? Okay, let me make it 70. I'll make it a little small, all right? So now this is my part two. See, this is an empty thing. Can you see this is empty? Now I want to take this on top. All right. Again, I go back to my control. I will start with what I want to start with. I go to event. I start the same thing, and since I'm already in the event, let me show what I can do about it. Now what I want is my X is somewhere here. You see, my X can it has to just go in this space now. The X space has to go somewhere here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check on looks. Let me see what I can do. Come on, help me. I want the X space to be the way it is. Let me go to motion. Right? Right now, do you see where is X? X is somewhere here. So can I go? See, wherever I put it, my X will be here. So see, this is it. Can you see this one? Can you see this? Okay, this one will keep moving. Okay, I'm keeping it back. Have your eyes on this one. If I go here, it moves here. If I go here, it moves here. So I'm going to take this up. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it around here. Now instead of this, I want a range. I want a bigger range. So the range usually is 220. Okay. So it's if I go here, it will minus 220. So minus 220 to plus 220. So now what happens is when I click this, my sorry, it's gone way up. My this thing will keep going from here to there. Now I want this to go down also. I want this to go down. So I will use my if then loop. I'll use my if then loop. Just a minute. I will help you with it. Okay, there is my okay. 1 minute. Did I miss out something? Where did I go? 1 minute. It's just, did I get my syntax wrong? Okay, hold on. Okay, but right now what is happening is my arrow is just here. Hold on, I made a mistake. I need to go somewhere else. Let me go to the ones I have done it. It's easier. I go to my motion. I want X and Y position both. Let me see what I've done before. Yes, I said no. See, it says I want my ball to be in this arrow. So let me see my see X and Y position. Glide X and Y position. Just a minute, right? So I'm going to do X and Y position here, not the glide one. Let glide come later. First of all, where is my X and Y position? All right, here, good. Look at this. I will change the middle one for something I can work it out. You see, anything that you do, you need to have the right logic. I'm not getting the logic because I'm not practiced on this particular one. But see, it says go to X random number. So can I go to random number by X? Where is my random number? Okay, I get my random number here. I want to put something in middle. Can you show me where is this one? The random number part. Mozum Mudabar, can you help me?
Motion.
Yeah, motion. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm on motion. I'm on motion right now. Ahmed says this one. Ahmed, I want a random number X, but I also want a Y here. So I get it, but I want a Y one as well. I want this one. See, go to X random number and then Y. And I'm going to pick this up. So I think you're doing right. Okay, variable. Oh, there you are. Fantastic. You all are helping me. Great. Thank you, Ahmed. Okay, but right now I don't need variable per se. Okay, hold on, hold on. Let me go. Let me see sensing. Okay, where am I getting into? Okay, let me just pick this up for you. See, this is operation. I need operation. So I've already got my X and Y. Okay, project. Try again. Let me save my project. 1 minute. Okay, see my variables here. Did I go to uh, operation? Now there is a random number in operation here. Where am I getting into operation? Can I put this here? See, here you are. Minus X is minus 220. 2 plus 220. I got this one now finally. Is it okay? Are you all okay? Are you with me? As I said, it's okay not to get it right. It's okay to get it. It's okay to refer to it. See, I'm doing it. I've got it done. I've taken X right now. Hold on, let me cancel this. Why is this happening again? Okay, let me stop this page and I'll show this to you. Now my X is here. My X says random number Y and I want to glide it now. Glide it, this will go anywhere in between. Okay, so can you do that? Can I go to motion again? Can I go to my glide again? Go to glide now. What I'm going to do is, I think because of this, I'm going to keep this on for you. I want you to try it out and I'll help you when I finish this. Can you see my screen, everybody? Can you see my logic
Yes,
that can
yes.
you see my logic what I've done now? I think because of sort of this thing, I'm letting you take on it. This is very simple syntax. It says X here, so X is anywhere between here. But then the Y will not go to a random number. Y will again go back at some specific spot here. So Y is going till here. See, so Y is 155, but it can go anywhere else. So Y is going here, going here, going here, and it's showing it. Then what I did is, see, again, I did the same syntax, again, forever. It's very simple. If I think the same thing that Mozam told us in the beginning, was it Mozam or Mudabbir? What who was telling me the game in the beginning?
Okay.
Yeah, Mudabbir, right? Okay, both of you did together. So the only thing is, if it's touching it, then stop all. The moment it touches this, everything stops. That's all is my syntax. That's all. I will do the same syntax for you. I will work it out, but I'll keep this loop right now. Why don't you do it? And I want to see all your screens right now, guys. I think that's the least we can do in today's session. Hopefully, we'll pick up and we'll do much better in the next week's session. Can you all help me out with your screens? Go ahead. I'm gonna share this if you want with each one of you so you can see what we're working out.
None of us can share if you are sharing.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll stop the screen share. Okay, how many of you've done the third level? I would like to do the third level. Okay, Munib. Okay, Munib is on the first level. Okay, Munib, that's okay. I can see that. Okay, I want the second one, Munib. Are you stuck in the first one?
Yes, it is not moving only.
Click on the green arrow. Where is your forever loop, Munib? Okay, unshare now, please. So you know you're the problem. Okay, Amina, go ahead, share. Mozam and Mudaffar, I want you to share next.
I'm also stuck on the first one.
Go ahead, share, then I'll be able to like Munib, see, he just missed the forever loop. So it's okay. Okay. Amina, forever loop, please. Put the forever loop, go to control, yeah. Yeah, put it top. Perfect, put it. Yeah, all right, now click on it. Click on the green flag. Press. Go back. Okay, I'm gonna change X to -10, second one. Is it -10? Yeah. Is it minus there?
Not minus.
Okay, go back again. Do it. Okay. Now press the green one. Perfect. Now just duplicate it and do for Y. All right. Unshare. Can I have Mazam Mudabar share the screen, please? Abdullah, you're next. We ready? Okay, you're just doing the first one. Mazam, sprite must be done. Show the ball. Yeah, go ahead. Help me with the ball. Okay, this is okay. I can understand. This one even I took some time. It was a little troubling. So what we are trying to do essentially. Okay. All right. Show. Good. So you're going to. I want to show something. Mm-hmm. And then now see, now the only thing is I need some logic, right? So basically I want first X in some line. So go to X, go to motion. Okay. All right. X should be a random number. So go to X and Y. Just go to X and Y. That's it. Yeah. No, not glide. First go to. Yeah, yeah. No, yeah. Okay. Go to X and Y. All right. Now I want X a variable. Yeah. Okay. Operation. Random number for X. Okay. We'll change it later, Abdul. Mazam Motherwell. Okay. Go to now same thing. Glide to glide needs some time. So how much time I need for glide? Okay. So 1 second is okay. It's good. 1 second. Again, put the same random number. Go to operation, put the random number. Good. Now you can change the random number from -220 to +220 on both the sides. Okay, the same thing for the below one. Okay, Abdullah will go to the second part with you. Ahmed, be ready. No, it's okay. Yeah, +220 is fine. No, this is Y. You are doing on Y. Just +220. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, take it the other side. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Do plus. Please put here. After -220, put 2 plus 220. Mazam Mudabar. Yes. Can I annotate for you? Yes, there. Yes, here. Correct. Just put a. Okay, now why? See, for example, if you put your ball here, just put your ball here. Okay. Now this is Y's position. Okay. But I want my Y to somewhere go down here. Okay, this line. So put the ball down. Okay. Now when you put the ball down, this should change inside here. So Y will be somewhere minus here, isn't it? Y is going down. In this axis, Y is minus now. So put minus 123, minus 140, whatever. No, not here, here. Yeah. Minus 140, whatever. Okay, good. Please put the forever loop now. Minus 140, 150, whatever. Yeah, okay. 197 will be too low, but it's okay. 97 will be too up. Put the forever loop and let's see what you're doing. Okay, good. Click and see. All right, it's coming in. Okay, good. I think you can increase or decrease the time also. Good, very nice. This is done. Abdullah, can you show this exactly this part? Abdullah, go ahead. Unshare the screen. We'll play the game before we go ahead. Okay, is that Abdullah's screen?
I did.
Yes.
But when I'm doing the down arrow thing, it's not working.
I will help you, Amina. Maybe you are not writing the x-axis again. You're changing it to y. We'll check. Okay, Abdullah, you did a. I can see some background noise. Abdullah. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Abdullah, what's wrong? This is good.
Yes.
Okay, your y, the second y is not minus, so your arrow is still here. You see that? Can you put the minus here?
Which one?
I'll show you. This one. See this one? See This is y-axis, right? So moment I want my buck to be down, it should be minus here. Put it minus here. Okay, good, good. Now try. Go up, yeah. Okay, good. It's falling in. It's falling in well. All right. Now we're going to play the game. Ahmed, can you show me a screen? So Claire and Ahmed, both of you left, right? I mean, I'll come to you. Munib and Amin. Hold on. Ahmed. I think Ahmed's not there.
Also,
Okay.
my full program got deleted.
We'll work it out. Don't worry, Munib. This is absolutely okay. Is that you, Saklen? Saklen, go to the second scratch. First scratch, I'm happy. It looks good. It's easy now. Second scratch, not done. Oh, this is good. All right, can you show me? Play it around. Okay, it's going on well. Can you make the screen larger? Okay. Okay, now we want to show, we want to do something very simple. Okay, Saklen, keep your screen on. Now what I want you to do is I'm going to teach you simple loop. If it touches, it should go away. Why, Saklen, why are you two scratches in two different screens? It should be in the same screen. Copy this, Saklen, Control C. Yeah. No. Okay, hold on. I need to. Saklen, you have two scratches and two screens. It should be in the same screen. Saklen, can you stop, please? Okay. I think just copy and paste it there, right? Can I go to who's done it? Ahmed, yeah, you're back. Ahmed, can I show your screen? You're almost done. Can I quickly do this game before we close it, and I'll share this thing with everybody. Ahmed, I have not seen your screen alone, but why don't we do it? Mozam Mudaba, can I go to your screen because you've done the complete game? Can I quickly do the game with you? Can you please show your screen? Okay, now just one logic. If it touches, it closes. All right, let's do that. Mozam Mudaba, can you show your screen? Okay, fantastic. You already done it. Okay, great. Okay, so you're letting me know. Okay, if and then. All right, if it touches sprite 1, okay, have you done stop all? Okay, that's it, go on, do it, play the game. I'm gonna show your screen, so I will help you now. No, just put the cat away, a little away, so we can play the game now. Okay, now play the game. Keep moving it. Oh, you're out. You lost your own game. Okay, good. Oh, okay, you lost. Now the challenge is how many seconds can you stay away? You can increase the speed. You can gliding speed can be 0.1. It can be 0.5. The faster it is, the more difficult the game becomes. Okay, this is just a game. I think we've done with the class. Sorry guys, I did not push you and do more than this today. Inshallah, next week we'll do much better. But I want to know, Amina, you were stuck, so I'll help her. And anyone else who's stuck, will help, inshallah. Munib, always remember to save your presentation, otherwise we will get sometimes deleted and there'll be a challenge for us. Amina, show me, I'll help you around. Is it interesting? Scratch is interesting? Okay. All right, Amina, where are we getting stuck? Okay, Amina, what's not moving? Tell me. Okay, go ahead, press that.
When I'm clicking the right arrow, then it's not going downwards when I click the down arrow.
Okay, Amina, hold on. Number one, just first save it. So just save something, write something in the untitled part of it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, good, done. Okay, now play. Put the green flag. Okay, right. Okay, back. Okay, up. Okay, down. Down is a problem.
Not coming down.
Okay, is this -10? Is this minus?
Yes. Yes, it's minus.
Oh, okay. I mean, I see where have you done it. See, you all should help me. The doctor's here. Amina, look at this thing. This is, look at this. This if is right. This if is there. Where have you put this if? See, this if is under it. It's not outside. You should put it outside. Can you see my dots now?
Yes.
Yeah. Remove it. Remove this one. No. Full thing. Leave it. Pull it out. Yeah. Okay. Yes. There you are. Now try it out. Done? Happy? Good? Okay. Sprite 2, Amina. Sprite 2. Let's quickly do Amina. Sprite 2. Munib, you deleted it, so I'm not doing. Ahmed, I didn't see yours, Ahmed. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, Amina. All right, quickly. It's okay, Amina. You can change your slide anytime you want. Okay, good. Okay, quickly, what I'm going to do is I want to first put my ball in the x-axis. Go to motion and choose a position motion. I'm not going to give instruction. I want Ahmed to give instruction. Ahmed, go ahead. Please help him.
That's I did it. That's
Good, Abdullah. Good. Give an instruction, Abdullah. Tell her what to do. Abdullah, there's a background noise. Sorry. I want someone to give an instruction to Amina. Quickly, we'll finish this in 2 minutes before your classes go on. Okay, guys. Good news for all of you. I want to see everyone's smile. Amina, hold on. I'm not doing this with you right now. There is no arts class today. You can see, look at that big smile on Muazzam's face. All right, okay. There is no arts class, so you only have a life skill class right now. So it's okay. We can take 5 minutes more, right? Is it possible? We'll help Amina, so all of you learn. Saklen, give me instruction quickly. What should Amina do next? Okay, Amina, do the standard one.
when click.
Okay, go to control. Get the flag on. Get the forever loop on. Both the things. Flag on and forever loop on. Go up. Okay, good. Flag. Fantastic. This is standard, right? It's like the basic ingredient. Okay, good. Forever loop, I always prefer to put at the end. So you can pull up and put it aside, but in the same, yeah, put somewhere. Yeah, okay, yeah, good. Now, go to motion, Amina. Come on, help me. I want X to glide, right? Okay, yeah, go. Yeah, go to X. Perfect. No, go. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, go there. Take that. Yeah, Amina, take that. Okay, put it down. Perfect. Only saying go to X in some position. So what it is saying is X will be somewhere here, Y will be somewhere here. But I want X to be in full range, right, Amina? So I want something different happening at X. So go to operation, Amina, the green one. Okay, go to random, pick a random number. Yeah, put it in between. See, the circles are fitting in. Yeah, perfect. And forget it. Don't worry about it right now. Go to motion again. I want it to glide now. Glide is it will go down. Go to glide. Yeah, okay, glide, yes. Perfect. Down. No, not this one. It's see, glide. There's no Y here. I want X and Y glide. See here. See, look at this. Yes, perfect. Put it down. Okay. Now again, go to operation. Again, the same thing. Pick up a random number. So now what happened? I'm telling you is gliding. But where is it gliding? I don't know. So pick this random number, Amina. Put it down here. Okay. Mudabir, please tell me what to do next. You did fantastic work.
No, ma'am, it is outside is wrong.
Why would this be wrong?
Because
Okay,
it has
no.
to put it at X
I mean,
and Y, right?
yeah.
And
So yeah, it's okay. I mean, you put it in the time. We don't want in time. We want to put it here. It's okay. Yeah, that's all. Yes, perfect. Great. Now what do we do? What do we do with the X and Y axis? What do we do with these axes? What do I do with these two, Amina? Remember, I want some random numbers from here to here. My X should move. So it is minus something to plus something, right? See, X is here
You
minus.
have to key pressed arrow.
Yeah.
Keys pressed right arrow.
No. I don't want. I want a number here. So minus something to plus something, right? So why don't you put minus 200 to plus 200? Make it easy. Go ahead. Both the places now. I'm going to clear it. Minus 200 to plus 200. Okay. Come on, quickly. Let's get the game up and done. What's the time? Okay, over it. 200. The same thing goes down, Amina. Okay, the same thing goes down. Minus 200 to plus 200. Now, I want my Y position to be something very simple. Okay. Now, if I take my Y up, if I take my Y up, it will be something like, if see Y is right now 180 here. So it will be something like, say, 150. So put 150 here, put 1 here. See, you can see this is the X and Y axis, that's all. Okay. And if I take my Y down, it will be somewhere minus 150. So put minus 150, that's it. Okay. Okay, put the forever loop now. You already have forever loop outside. Yeah, yeah, here. See, your forever loop is here. Okay. Okay, good. The only thing I'm missing out is I have not done the show part of it. You see, it's important that I need to show it. So go to the purple one. Yeah. Okay. And there's show. Where did I miss the show part? Oh, sorry. Is it the looks one? Go to looks. Sorry, looks. What color is it? It's not purple. You can see show here somewhere. Help me, guys. Am I seeing something right? Yeah. Just put show here. Up. Here. Yeah. Under forever. Under forever. Up. Under forever. I'm gonna up. Forever. Yeah. Yes. That's it. Click on the green arrow now and see if it's working. We will do the game a little later, but right now done. Okay. It's not going down. Why am I? Amina, this is, you have not put minus here. See, this is how, there is no minus here. Okay, there you are. Thank you. Good. Perfect. All right. We'll do the second part of the game a little later. Until then, that's all. Unshare screen, Amina. I will come back and we'll play some interesting games next week. Inshallah. Enjoyed the coding part. Some more fun. Okay, great. Inshallah, keep doing this. Keep working on this program. I'm very proud that some of you are making games even before we teach them. But this is how we'll keep taking level 1 and levels 2. So wait for our next class, life skill, in 10 minutes time. And see you, inshallah, next week with better coding program. Inshallah, everybody. Assalamu alaikum.
Thanks.